Get him. I heard we got 925 the Bahamas. How about a 925? How about that 925 Nassau, Bahamas calling DX Land breaker 232, breaker 32. You got a copy of 362 Knoxville, Tennessee calling. How about that 925 Nassau, Bahamas? Breaker 32. Do you got a copy of down in the Bahamas down there? Do you got a copy of 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, USA calling for the 925 Nassau, Bahamas out there? We're here you out there a few minutes ago. I heard you out there. Hello, Timberwolf. Foxman 362 waving on back. I hear you guys loud clear up in Rockwood, up in Rock Vegas from Foxman 362 out there. Hope you guys made it through the rain okay today. I heard Timberwolf at 7 pounds tonight. I'm on the Quad 5 radio tonight on the Mako V5000. Sounded good out there today from Foxman 362 out here. I heard, man, I got conditions last night at this hour. I was talking to North Island, New Zealand, and Melbourne, Australia on 38 lower sideband last night on my 4-element beam.
I can hear somebody talking.
Hey, Timberwolf, it's Foxman 362 up in Rock Vegas.
Dirty Red, loud and clear. And I hear that idle breaker too. Well, it's just like that when they was hollering me. I'm walking, I hear them.
Good evening to you out there, Timberwolf, down in the Badlands of Decatur, Tennessee. This is Foxman 362 waving up in Rock Vegas tonight. Sounded good, 7 pounds this evening. Just want to let you know.
Did you say you was getting out of there?
That's me, Foxman 362 up in Rock Vegas, waving on back.
I can. Yeah, I was talking to that tree rat up there. I just wanted to say hello up there, tree rat, Timberwolf down here in the bottom, the Badlands. Just want to say good evening to you there, tree rat.
Good evening to you, Timberwolf from Foxman 362 up in Rockwood, Tennessee, up in Rock Vegas. We hear you out there.
You squirrel, ain't he?
Let me try to turn this down, this echo.
Squirrel climbs a tree and I call him tree rat. What's all this noise going on here?
Foxman 362 waving on back from Timberwolf. Good evening to you out there. To Timberwolf up in Rockwood, Tennessee, down to the Badlands of Decatur, Tennessee. Sounding good out there tonight, 7 pounds. Audio is very crystal clear out here today. Check it out, let's see what's out there. Calling CQDX, calling CQDX, 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, calling. How about that Soldier Boy in Houston, Texas? How about the Soldier Boy in Houston, Texas? Calling CQDX. You got a copy of 362. Knoxville, Tennessee, calling out here on the Quad 5 Radio tonight with barefoot conditions on a Mako V5000. We hear you, Soldier Boy in Houston, Texas tonight. QSL.
10 foot with that radio or whatever he's running. Like Icebreaker said, he can set up there about 36 foot. He will be worldwide. Like 10. I got 40 foot on the bottom of the antenna. Got a 40 foot tire plus 10 foot pipe. That's 40 foot at the bottom. Yeah, go ahead.
Good evening to you, Timberwolf. Foxman 362 up in Rock Vegas, waving on back down to Timberwolf where he's at. Declare Tennessee in the Badlands.
Can't hear anything, all that static in there. Yeah, you sound good there. Cool.
This is Foxman 362, breaker 26, break. How about a Timberwolf down in the Badlands and Declare? Foxman 362 waving on back up in Rockwood, but we hear you out there tonight. Sounding good at 7 pounds. Audio's coming crystal clear as a bell. Just want to let you know.
Hello, radio.
How you guys are doing out there tonight? I'm gonna wave it on back from Foxman 362 up in Rockwood, Tennessee. We had conditions last night, Australia and New Zealand on channel 38. I made contacts last night on my President Grant radio on the 4L beam on the serial last night with a 2-pill. But tonight we're talking on a Quad5 Top Guns technology radio. And I'm running a Mako V5000. We're barefoot about 21 feet off the ground. Just want to let you know, waving on back 410.
That bleed on was bad, where it was coming from. I ain't heard of this Foxman that I don't think I hear. I hear him too, but I hear on top of him.
Yeah, this was some guys out of the Bahamas were talking on channel 32 a while ago. I heard them out there, but they probably stopped talking on that one. But I hear you guys out there clear as a bell. We don't hear no bleeds over here in Rockwood, Tennessee on this radio.
Everything comes in there. You can't hear what he's saying. Who, Foxman? Yeah, whenever he starts talking, there's a lot of interference in there.
There's no interference out here. Foxman 362 out here. And we hear it very clear. We don't hear no interference on the Quad 5 Top Guns technology, but maybe it's a geomagnet storm where you're at. It's supposed to be poor conditions, say, on DX, but I hear all you guys out there pretty clear as a bell.
Yeah, a little more noise than mine today than I usually have, but I didn't hear you now, squirrel.
This is the guy who can hear Foxman. I'm up in Rockwood, Tennessee, on the south side of Rockwood, Tennessee. You know where that is. The Shell gas station, Highway 27, out near there. Near Mount Roosevelt, about 800 feet in the valleys. Just want to let you guys know, I hear you loud and clear up here. I'm on the Mako V5000 tonight, about 21 feet off the ground, running barefoot. I'm on a Quad 5 Top Guns technology, an orange radio. I just want to let you know, you guys are making about 7 pounds, and the other guy who's talking about Foxman out there, you're hitting about 8 to 9 pounds out here in Rockwood, almost 20.
The radio was stuff, it just announces a regular line noise. Hey, well, there's something coming somewhere. Every time somebody keys up, something comes in there and just pops it all out.
I got my echo on, and I'm running a Rode King 56 microphone stock out here on this export radio, but I hear you guys out there today. This is Foxman 362 waving on back. We hear y'all out there. I hear Timberwolf at 7 pounds. There was another guy talking to Foxman to me. He's eating about 8 pounds out here today. I'm running barefoot out here today.
Everybody know where Foxman. I hear you know where Foxman at Las Vegas. Timberwolf in the Badlands, we're hollering.
Yeah, I hear you, Timberwolf. You're sounding good at these 6 pounds, almost 7 out here. And I'm on the Quad 5 type. But man, I'll tell you, we had some great conditions last night on channel 38 lower sideband. I have heard you on that one. I was talking to Victor Mike 00 New Zealand and Unit 200 out there in Australia, in Melbourne. It was coming in last night around almost 10 o'clock and they faded out. But I think best conditions was last night.
8-10-4, okay, Foxman. I'm going to say good evening to you. Have yourself a priming over there. This whole Timberwolf always could hear you over there when you start talking. Sounding good and I receive. Have a good enough, Foxman. We're back out.
All right, have a good night out there, Timberwolf. At least we got the rain through today. It's pretty cool day. I want to let you know, let you go. You're about 40 miles away from me, almost 35 miles where you're at. That's how far we're talking. Have a good one, Timberwolf. Thanks for the contact today. Hope you guys are talking out here a little bit later soon. But Foxman 362, we're taking 10-10 on the side for a while. But have a good night. We'll catch you later. Yeah, these guys are local, guys. We're on 26.
They're still in there.
Yeah, they're about 40 to 60 miles.
Somebody to say something.
They're 60 miles away. This guy's about 40 miles.
Audio, hello, check. Audio, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Your audio's working. Check. Where you at out there? I'm over in Rockwood, Tennessee. This is Foxman 362. Waving my back. Sounding good at 7 pounds this evening. I'm running barefoot on a Quad 5 Top Guns technology. Running a Road King 56 mic. And I'm running a Mako V 5000, 21 feet off the ground. What's your QTH out there? The one with the audio check. I want to find out how far I'm hitting out there. This is Foxman 362 over Rockwood, Tennessee, near the Knoxville, Tennessee area. 410. Alright, this is Foxman 362. We're taking the 10-10 on the side for a few minutes. Now these, you don't hear, on these in, they're pretty well filtered. And they're like this. DX is pretty dead tonight. You hear a little bit out here. That's 1409 Texas. There he is. I've had 1409 Houston, Texas, calling CQDX. You got a copy of 362 Knoxville, Tennessee calling. We hear you out there. How about at 1409 Texas? How about the 1409 Houston, Texas calling CQDX? This is 362 Knoxville, Tennessee calling. Check this out. How about a 1409 Houston, Texas? Calling CQDX. You got a copy of 362 Knoxville, Tennessee calling. We're on a Barefoot Radio tonight on a Quad 5 on a Mako V 5000 tonight and QSL. How about 1409 Texas? How about 1409 Houston calling CQDX? You got a copy on this Barefoot Radio over in Knoxville, Tennessee. Numbers are 362. We're waving back. Wish we could improve this radio a little better, guys. She does work. It's made contacts all the way to Wisconsin, Florida, Kansas. It's done California and Arizona. It's never reached Australia except the Trim 300 we did it one time on it, on the Magna Mount roof. It did reach Australia one time only. And the farthest thing, this is before I changed out the cable. And it was last year. It was in 2023 it was, or 2020. I have a video of Operator Steve out of South Africa. This thing made all the way to South Africa barefoot. And that's what this thing made on the free band channels. We talked to Africa what this thing was. And he had a British voice. It's made to Jamaica lots of times. The ministers are not out great tonight, you can tell. The beam user will pick it up pretty better. Check this guy. close here. Let's go. Hold on, I'm heading right there. I'm gonna check this guy. He said, keep off the guy. Check a 10K. Yeah. There we go, back up there. That's a 15. Keep off, let's check it out. 25, nothing. We didn't know that bar was 515. Let me check that channel and see what it is. Jamaican channel. I think it's 15 or 15. I will check and see what it is. That's right, 15 and 15. That's the channel. 510, 5110 is another Jamaican channel. 5110 is actually another Jamaican channel on this one. This 5115 is right. And I'm going to go down this here. That's usually the basic channel. 5110 is another one they talk on. And 5115 is another one. So that's it. It's not 5200. You guys will see how far it goes. Yeah. We can go anywhere there. That's it. Right there. And I'll go back to the regular one. That's 25. 5. Show you some techniques of the Quad5 to do others can't. And check it in the channels. Gotta get some GX conditions.
people running away from field. They going back to choose. But guess what?
I hear this guy.
Field. A lot of people running away from the field because they cost too much money now. But I'm sticking with the field. That boy's going up with the choose. That's burning energy.
Who's this
I
guy?
can't use choose. I got my station like solar power.
Is that Soldier Boy?
I got my station, I got solar power with a BMS, blah, blah, blah.
Breaker 2-2, break for radio check 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, calling for stations out there. Now who's that out there? Is you from Jamaica out there in the Caribbean Islands? I hear someone out there today.
I can't say like you, man. I can't say like you. Whatever you got to you, what I got it works for me. Whatever you got it works for you, what I got it works for me. Because it makes me talk. It's making me talk. And I'm talking, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, you're talking all right. You're making a great trip, about 7 pounds out here today. I'm going to let you know we're up in Knoxville, Tennessee, USA. My number is a 362, waving on back. And the radio we're using tonight is a Barefoot Radio, Quad 5 Shotguns technology, running a Rode King 56 microphone, and we're running an antenna system at Mako V5000, 21 feet off the ground, and we're about barefoot on this radio today. Who is that guy? I hear this Jamaican man all the time. Alright, have a good night out there in the Caribbean. Foxman 362 up from Tennessee, waving on back. Man. Look, we got sideband. I'm just happy to check it around, man. Check it around. There's someone. CQ. Calling CQDX. Calling CQDX. 362 Knoxville, Tennessee, calling for stations. Anyone out there today? Terrible conditions. Very noisy radio, but it's at an S3. Wish there was a way to make this radio better, but it's doing good. We just thought about that.